Welcome aboard the stunning Celebrity Summit. From extraordinary fine dining options to ultimate comfort in every suite and stateroom, Celebrity is here to provide endless options for luxury and entertainment. Join us on this exclusive tour of the revolutionized Celebrity Summit. Luxurious in-suite amenities may make it hard to leave your bed in the morning, but don't worry. Guests of the retreat receive personalized butler service and complimentary 24-hour room service. As part of the retreat experience, enjoy a stylish lounge where handcrafted beverages and gourmet bites await. Plus, a dedicated concierge is there to assist at any time. The Retreat Sun Deck is a chic outdoor escape for guests of the retreat. We brought the comfort and style of a 5-star resort to Summit. Take a dip in the hot tub, unplug, and ask your dedicated attendant for a cocktail or snack anytime. Lumine features a delightful, cutting-edge menu unlike anything else on board. Lumine is perfect for foodies and adventurous palates. The always-changing menu is inspired by global travels and the freshest ingredients available. Our global culinary brand ambassador, Chef Daniel Boulou, also designed delicious signature dishes for Lumine. In each penthouse suite, there's a master bedroom with a Lux King mattress, dining area, ocean view terrace, and your very own private hot tub. The floor-to-ceiling glass windows provide unbeatable views. The Royal Suite includes a cozy queen mattress, spacious living area, dining area, and private veranda with lounge seating, so you can put your feet up and truly relax. Our Celebrity Suites feature a large living area, a spacious veranda, and a master bedroom. Indulge in one of our spacious Sky Suites, where you'll be greeted by a complimentary bottle of sparkling wine. Wake up every morning to sweeping ocean views through your sliding glass windows. AquaClass Staterooms are designed for ultimate relaxation and include a veranda for the perfect escape at sea. AquaClass guests have exclusive access to Blue, one of the most innovative and elegant restaurants on board. New flavors and inventive cuisine meet an extensive list of sustainable and biodynamic wines. AquaClass guests also receive complimentary access to the Persian Garden, where you can take advantage of our infrared sauna, sensory showers, and aquatherapy treatments. When you book a Concierge class stateroom, you can access amenities like priority check-in and floor-to-ceiling glass doors for classic ocean views. In a Veranda Stateroom, we've created a private sanctuary for complete rest and relaxation. Order room service on the veranda and stay a while. In an ocean view stateroom, you'll watch the waves gently roll in each morning. Enjoy a queen-size cashmere bed, beach towel service, luxurious bath products, and 24/7 views of the ocean. Rest in your cozy sitting area after a full day of exploring a port city, or watch a movie on the flat-screen TV available in your inside stateroom. There are several complimentary dining experiences available on Summit, each featuring different regional cuisines for all appetites. The newly redesigned Cosmopolitan restaurant offers a menu packed with classic entrees. Take a seat among the white tablecloths and don't forget to ask your server for recommendations. The newly redesigned Ocean View Cafe is your very own culinary bazaar, featuring dishes inspired by the hundreds of destinations we visit around the world. Delicious burgers and crispy fries are standard fare at the Mast Grill, offering a casual environment to grab a bite after catching some sun or taking a dip in the pool. Extend your spa experience with a visit to the Spa Cafe, where renewal and rejuvenation are the two guiding principles of every dish and drink on the menu. The Spa Cafe offers salads, smoothies, and other light dishes. The specialty restaurants on Celebrity Summit are designed to mirror the global cuisines of the destinations we visit. Our culinary experiences will transport you to Italy, Japan, France, and beyond. At Tuscan Grill, we bring a little bit of Tuscany on board with a menu that features all things Italian, from handmade pastas to steak cooked to your preference, or pan-seared fish. Sushi at sea, anyone? Sashimi and creatively executed rolls make Sushi on 5 a favorite for guests who return night after night to sample the freshest ingredients and house-made wasabi. Experience dinner like never before at Les Petits Chefs at Cuisine, where you'll enjoy an interactive meal and watch as a 3D animated miniature chef prepares and plates your meal right on your table. Enjoy a craft beer or watch as our expert mixologists create mouth-watering cocktails. Lose yourself in the ocean views at Sky Observation Lounge. Then try one of the unique astrological cocktails, each crafted in the spirit of the 12 zodiac signs. Live music and dancing make the lounge come to life every night. Wine lovers have their own place on Summit to gravitate to, Cellar Masters, featuring a rare collection of wine from all over the world, carefully curated by our expert sommeliers. You'll discover new notes and favorites to adore. Grab a friend, a drink, and a comfortable outdoor seat at the Sunset Bar and lose track of time as day turns to night. Put on your dancing shoes for a visit to the Rendezvous Lounge, where live music and dancing are all part of the fun. Specialty cocktails and a lively dance floor await, before or after dinner. Shaken or stirred with olives or a twist, our talented flair bartenders at the Martini Bar can whip up a fantastic cocktail in style. Coffee cocktails topped with whipped cream, unique espresso combinations, French pastries and sweets are the daily offerings at Café Al Baccio. Connected to this European-style cafe is the Gelateria, where you can order authentic gelato and delicious sorbets to satisfy your sweet tooth. Dazzling shows and incredible special effects are just a few of the ways we've brought the magic of performance, dance, and entertainment on board Summit. Our talented performers will keep you returning night after night. Are you ready to roll the dice? Try games of chance and machines at the casino, where Lady Luck is on your side. Head to Deck 4 to find fun and games and specialty cocktails. Take a refreshing dip in the pool or enjoy the solarium, an adults-only indoor pool where you can truly unwind. Soak in the hot tub or listen to the sound of lapping waterfalls, letting go of stress with each passing moment. Kids will find plenty of fun when they spend the day at Camp at Sea. We've created 4 fun-filled categories of interest: art, recreation, culinary, and STEM, and have designed hundreds of activities overall for children ages 3 through 12 and teens 13 to 17. Relaxation is at your fingertips at the spa, which offers a soothing escape from everyday life. From energizing massages to facials, acupuncture to mani-pedis, head-to-toe pampering awaits. Staying fit on vacation is easier than ever with the state-of-the-art gym equipment at our fitness center. Hop on a stationary bike or treadmill, lift weights, or join a daily group fitness class to spice up your workout routine. Shoot some hoops with the kids or a few new friends on the court. You'll never forget the once-in-a-lifetime experience of playing basketball at sea. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the completely revolutionized Celebrity Summit. Visit our website at celebrity.com to plan your next luxury cruise vacation on Celebrity Summit. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more travel inspiration.